all the formulae for unit conversions, smaller units to larger units. The first title is length, whose standard unit or base unit is meter. We have tabular column of units in order. Now let us convert from smaller unit to larger unit. Let us start with millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Let us see how to put decimal places from this tabular column. How to get all these values from this tabular column. See, just consider as we are going to convert from millimeter. Just consider the first row only. Okay, the first row, 1 has been written just below millimeter. So 1 millimeter is being converted into centimeter. Let us see how to do this. 1 is equal to 1.0. If so, we have decimal point after 1. Okay, to convert millimeter into centimeter, we have to move one step. Okay, so to move one step, we have to move decimal point one place towards left. So consider these two boxes, 0.1 centimeter. Okay, you got it? Now to convert millimeter into decimeter, we have to move two steps. So decimal point also should be moved two places to the left. Start from here, 1, 2. So this place is the right place to put a decimal point. So 0.01. No need to think about all these zeros. We have to think about decimeter and millimeter only. Okay, only these three boxes to convert millimeter into decimeter. Okay, then 1 millimeter is equal to how many meters? For that, we have to consider only these four boxes. We know that decimal point is here while starting. So millimeter to meter is taking 1, 2, 3 steps. So start from here. We have to move decimal points 3 places towards left. So here you have to put decimal point 0.001 meter. So what about millimeter and decameter? 1 millimeter is equal to 0.0001 millimeter. Sorry, decameter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.00001 hectometer. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.000001 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 decimeter. For meter and centimeter, consider only these three boxes, 001. Okay, where to put decimal point? Yes, correct. Here, 0.01 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. See, we have found it. Then decameter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many decameters? See, 0.001 centimeter. In the same way, we can do all the conversions from smaller units to larger units. Okay, let us see randomly. 1 decameter is equal to how many hectometers? We have to move only one step. From decameter to hectometer, only one step. So consider 0 and 1 only. This row. Decimal point is here. To move one step, we have to move decimal point one place towards left. So decimal point comes here. So 0.1 hectometer. And 1 decameter is equal to how many kilometers? For that, see, from decameter, we have to move 2 steps to reach kilometer. So the decimal point after 1 has to be moved 2 places towards left. So put decimal point here. 0.01 kilometer is equal to 1 decameter. Let us check. See, 1 kilometer is equal to 0.01 kilometer. What about 1 hectometer? 1 hectometer is equal to dash kilometer. Only one step is to be moved on. So, move the decimal point one place towards left. So, the decimal point after 1 takes the place between 0 and 1. So, 0.1 kilometer is equal to 1 hectometer. See, here it is. 1 hectometer is equal to 0.1 kilometer. In the same way, you can do the conversions for capacity whose base unit is liter and mass whose base unit is gram. See, 1 gram is equal to 0.1 decagram. 1 gram is equal to 0.01 hectogram. 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kilogram. Okay. Here 1 liter is equal to 0.1 decaliter. 1 liter is equal to 0.01 hectoliter. 1 liter is equal to 0.001 kiloliter. In this way, we can write all the formulae for metric conversions.